Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in train. If an issue arises during your journey, your first step is often to inform the train staff directly. You can speak with the conductor or the ticket examiner for immediate assistance. Many services also offer physical complaint forms right on the train, allowing you to document your experience on the spot. Addressing concerns quickly helps ensure your feedback is noted efficiently. This direct approach can sometimes resolve minor issues without further steps. For a convenient and trackable method, consider using the official online platforms. Most major train operators provide a dedicated complaint section on their website, which is easily accessible from any device. Additionally, many services have user-friendly mobile applications that allow you to file a complaint directly from your smartphone. These digital tools often give you an instant reference number, making it easy to track your complaint's progress from anywhere, anytime. If you prefer speaking to someone or using a quick text, helpline numbers are readily available. You can call the customer service number, which operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to speak with an agent. Some services also offer an SMS complaint option, where you send a text with specific keywords to a dedicated number. Remember to have your train number, date of travel, and a concise description of the incident ready for efficient. After cooking, the most crucial step is letting your steak rest. Immediately transfer the cooked skirt steak to a clean cutting board. Tent it loosely with aluminum foil and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes, letting the juices redistribute throughout the meat. Before slicing, carefully identify the grain of the steak. It often runs perpendicular to the length of the cut. Slice the steak very thinly against that grain to ensure every single bite is incredibly tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.